Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dominique Hart, your premier realtor here in the beautiful Queen City, that is Charlotte, North Carolina. Today guys, we are taking a look at a Madame home. This is their Briana plan, which boasts 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. This also does include a 2-car garage. This home is about 1,745 square feet and is priced at about $352,000. This is a great location, guys, close to Highway 45 and Highway 85. Close to tons of shopping and dining in Mecklenburg County. Let's take a look. Thank you guys for touring with me on another great video. If you have any questions about this community, remember to call or text me. And also remember, the salespeople in these model homes work for the seller, not you, the buyer. That's my job, and I take it very seriously. Looking to move to the Charlotte and surrounding areas or sell your existing home? Call me direct and make sure to follow me on all socials. This is going to be an awesome year, guys, and we will chat again soon. Bye.